Start with chop sauces in a smaller piece and chop onion to smaller pieces. Place cooking oil in a frying pan. Follow up with chopped garlic and onion. Follow up with Thai sauces. Follow up with soy sauce and sugar and mix that in together. Follow up with 1 egg and mix that in together. Now sauces is cooking and sizzling. Follow up with rice. Now mix rice and sauces together. Mix in together. Now we mix the rice, everything together and blend it in. Now sauces fried rice is done, ready to serve.